Hey, I'm Carlos and we're here in Milford, Michigan at Palate for the Milford Spice Company Holiday Open House. There's a ton of different food and drinks, all using Milford Spice Company products. I'm hungry, I'm thirsty, and I'm feeling pretty festive. So let's go in and check it out. We're here with Laura, the owner, founder of Milford Spice Company. Thank you so much for having us.
Thanks for being here.
I'm having a great time. Tell us a little bit about Milford Spice Company.
Sure. So I started about almost 10 years ago. It'll be 10 years in February. And our products are all natural, preservative, MSG, gluten-free, all ground fresh. We have now over, last count, 350 different blends.
You look like you're having a great time.
I'm having a great time
This is
every
work.
day.
This is your work.
This is my work. Isn't that fun? What could be better?
Good flavor. Very well-rounded. Something so simple about bread and oil that I love.
It's the product. You can't go wrong with Milford Spice products, and Laura is amazing.
I can't rave enough about the skate park squash stew. I thought that was my favorite here today.
I picked up Pontiac Trail Pig for the best tacos, Sweet Heat, which is really good.
Are some of these for gifts?
Well, maybe.
It's sweet, it's savory, it's nice. We're here with Bristol Hibbert, the owner and operator of Palate, where we're standing today. Bristol, thank you so much for having us.
Thank you. Thanks for being here. I gave a specific amount and type of spice to our bar team, and they created a custom craft cocktail menu, and then we just started compiling ideas for recipes, and here we are.
Tell us a little bit about the recipes that you guys created today.
Okay, so my personal favorite is actually the Thanksgiving sandwich. And honestly, I will say this about all of her spices. They're super straightforward, easy to use, so recreating any of these recipes that we have, it's super simple for holidays, entertaining, have something simple, so yeah.
Mind if I try it out?
Nope.
I would love to try it.
A fall soup, a winter soup.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. Rick, what do we got?
Yeah, this is a local cider that's been steeped with Milford Spices, holiday malting spices. It's really tasty. You want some?
I need one.
Okay.
This has been an incredible party.
Thanks for being here.
You know
It's
how
been
to
a lot
throw.
of fun.
How do I find out about more of your parties?
If you go to milfordspice.com, you can register for our newsletter, and we'll send you updates on all of our different events throughout the year, almost weekly events.
Okay, I gotta do that for sure. We gotta do that for sure. Laura, thank you so much. Happy holidays. Cheers.
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 Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.